Where has ICE gone? Detentions are plummeting. We're not seeing people detained in jails. What's happening? Listen to Immigration Wednesdays and find out. Hi, I'm attorney Jeff Peek, and for the last 21 years, I've spent my life specializing in two areas of law, criminal defense and immigration law. And when those two worlds collide, that's where we are here at Peek and Tolan here in Central Texas, helping immigrants all over the place. And I've probably done gotten more people out. More immigrants, immigration bonds than any other lawyer here in Central Texas. And let me tell you, it has been fascinating to watch what's gone on the first 6 months of this new presidential administration. Back in January and December, if you were arrested for anything from a traffic ticket to DWI to the drugs here in Central Texas, pretty much every single jail in the entire area, and I can go county by county and name them, you would get an immigration detainer. That means ICE, Immigration Customs Enforcement, would slap a detainer on you, basically saying, even if you pay the bond, you're not getting out, you're gonna come with us first, we're gonna fingerprint you, interview you, and most likely, in the grand majority of cases, and I'm saying 99% of cases, we're gonna detain you if you don't have current legal status. And then you are gonna have to go present your case and make another argument to a different judge, this time an immigration judge, to get another bond, this time an immigration bond, in order for you to be released free and back with your family. And so that's what we've been doing for really the last 15, 16 years here at this law firm. And what has happened is we're seeing nobody get detained now. Very few people. It's flipped from being 99% people get detained now to maybe 1% get detained. So what is indeed happening? Well, basically, administratively, they've issued what they consider priority enforcements for ICE, meaning the people they want to detain and hold are three types. People who got here after November 1st, 2020. People who are considered aggravated felons under the federal law, Immigration Nationality Act, and those are typically people with more serious convictions, felony convictions, crimes of violence of more than 1 year, burglaries and robberies for more than 1 year, sexual crimes, or people who've been deported before. But not even those people, if you're just charged with a crime, because again, to be an aggravated felon, you have to be convicted of the crime. So if you're just simply charged with a felony, they're not necessarily detaining you. And it's a case-by-case determination, it's discretionary. And so we have been watching it unfold and trying to get an idea, get a gauge of what are they using, what's the determination they're using. And we are seeing people released who would have not been released in 100 years, just 6 or 7 short months ago, who wouldn't even been given bond by immigration judges, and now they're not even being detained. So what does that mean for you? Well, that's great news if you're undocumented in probably most of the United States. I can only tell you how it's being applied here in Texas. But that means if you get arrested for anything here locally, the chances of you getting an immigration detainer are very, very, very small, very low. Okay, that's great. Now, you still need an attorney to get you out of jail sometimes. That's where you can call attorneys like us. We'll help you get you out. And two, depending on what you're charged with, now if it's a traffic ticket, maybe you don't need to worry that much. But if it's a criminal case, you still need to worry, because crimes like DWI, you can lose your DACA, you could potentially lose TPS. If you have crimes that are drug related or violence related, you could potentially be convicted and then have consequences down the road. So don't just think because you're getting out of jail and immigration didn't place a hold on you that you're free and they're never going to come back for you. You still need to fight those charges, and you need to make sure you avoid any consequences or convictions that are going to result in problems with immigration down the road. You know, you never know what's going to happen. The new administration might be pushing forward like the DREAM Act. They could push for some other kind of reform. And you want to have as clean as record as possible. So now's as good as time as any to be hiring great criminal defense lawyers. And guess what? That's what we do here as well. We have an amazing criminal defense team. Myself, my law partner, Steve Tolan, doing it for a long time. I've gotten amazing results, dismissals, reductions for hundreds, if not thousands of people. So again, ICE is pretty much ignoring people getting arrested right now, but don't take that to mean that you don't need to get help. You still need to resolve your criminal case favorably, okay? Peek and Tolan here in Austin, San Antonio. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out with any of your criminal or immigration needs, and have a great week.